Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail bringing to you the news and events in Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Meghalaya Health and Family Welfare Minister visits Risabel Para and William Nagar to assess the preparedness of Health Department to fight against third wave COVID-19. South Jowai MDC Saran Paswet releases the play Legend of Harup and Sheikh written by S. Koshin Sumer. Singh Samla Maulai Pulun criticizes Meghalaya Urban Affairs Minister inability to address public problems, and Laujan Rev locality uses YouTube to create awareness on vaccination. And now the news in detail. Meghalaya Health and Family Welfare Minister A.L. Hegg today visited Risabel Para and William Nagar in Garo Hills to access the preparedness of the Health Department in the fight against the third wave COVID-19 in the state. During the visit of these places, Hegg interacted with the district authorities and health officials on how to effectively tackle the third wave COVID-19.
Review meeting here in William Nagar district to review the overall situations of the COVID. I've seen from the Deputy Commissioner and all the medical officers here, the preparation is going on. They are all prepared. We hope we will not face any kind of regret or any kind of situations. They are already prepared and the preparation is going on. So also the vaccination drive also is in the progress, and also beauty is the decentralization where the community support and community participation, even the people themselves, they are coming forward to participate and also support the health department, support the government and support the administration in helping how to protect the life of the people. So that is the beauty. So overall we have seen in this review meeting, this preparation is on.
So today we have had this review on the third wave preparations, and we have briefed Honorable Minister that meanwhile we fight the second wave, we are also taking steps to ensure that in the third wave, where we might have more cases, so we are scaling up the capability of the COVID ward also, and the Corona Care Center also, and also of the healthcare workers, because without the staff we won't be able to manage. So I think on all fronts we are going all the way to prepare for a possible third wave. Thank you.
The member of Jaintia Hills Autonomous District Council, Saran Paswet, today released the play Legend of Harup and Sheikh written by seasoned writer S. Koshin Sumer. The book release was held at the dramatist's residence among the family members at Lalu Vaza Drong Musiang Panaliar Jowai under strict adherence to COVID-19 protocols. The play was written in the 70s and performed at Yung Wale Panaliar in Jowai. The comedy play was released in the form of a book relating to two persons, Harup and Sheikh, which provide laughter to the readers.
Kaparam korjo isnyau ki menchua daya kanatang bawi hawi hanrai wadang ibenta ibaya ra gambelar baman sekali kamu param hanrai mentu dia yo lekejing thok kawa kini kaparam kawada kana ki he hawnyau hanrai nonyau kanau Thành ra nó có là đằng qua cho chú upan sa nam upan nè cảm ơn được lòng con ngào man cảm ơn mọt vô hấp upan hun vậy cái con thành ra cao con mà hấp upan hun nhiều pa và man cảm ơn với chú ông y đó thì bị ubay cái bay vào pa mani keep live cepat hai keep your eyes ba the nyalam berjong de klam yang na ne kesni senyal ko de senyal kemen di mesin untuk de uni de hoklam wo kepen wada yok sekali ye kini kepat apa di kini kepat hai lockdown ko de tibi ko habi bitin prai hanrai ne kesni kalau kecing sayap yang nyau handai ilam bansi kau pun bansi lem yo kap ye bala lam la yo wai ye kan ni kan
Takala ongo chungti ga ni ko they will now translate ka into English. Chimga ye kan ni ka bentag yang ka chimga i por yang ka pelut ka i por ko dor yang ka they will come on to translate open one door ye kan ni ka nagi por ki por wan ye chimga na do na Shillong hajwai wan ye chimga cha yung cha Shillong upa ibada dek ka kacak yo ye chem lang ka chirup ubia yang ngau saje kai to oi pambai u pento ye di sentence ibada tha hagani ka ado o wan skiat ki ibenta iwa kamumut kamamang hi upa yang da neta lagi luti lagi por hewa tho igila kamon penmi ye gani ka o pas ket o da tranga o na do man sen I continue o winga la de ye ika palai pai ba handuchi kopi ar kopi le yo man go umot sa kan ite ta bha inga hapo man sen yo ma haiwa ngasnya wa iwajo onga ki ni wa iwan iwo le bha I obru le ne go bru ye ko bayo pala ne gi payu gi parala ne gi wan ule bhai ki kadang em gi chaparthai mto ule I man em de gi man yo de gi yo ita ta umsnyao man toy
The Laujinreu locality of Shillong today has made a leap in information dissemination by using the information technology of internet and YouTube and providing awareness on the efficacy of vaccination in the state. The awareness program on the vaccine was held at a small function held at Laujinreu locality, devoid of public gathering through the YouTube, which was simultaneously relayed through the loudspeakers fixed at different locations of the locality. The Deputy Commissioner of East Khasi Hills, Isawanda Lalu, was present in the program.
Nga snowban ay kulay sikat day ya kadolbas nong Laujinreu kabala pinlong ya kani ka program kaba kerpang bat nga snow kaba don kam hadu kata kaba hakini kisni ki pol ni nakaliang jong ka district administration bat kumju nakaliang jong ka health department ni kwa ban ay ka jingshai ikipat ba nong song baro ha kabia day but uni uklam COVID-19 ubang ilayat lingba mentala shisnem tam but kam tam ha kani kapor menta syapang kaktika yada COVID-19 kabangitip hakari hakperkai baro kawai bat hakajela jong yiru nila sedang ban aya kadi kaktika hakani kasing ngasngo ba kapkun kajing kren jong ki nong kunyat ngin sayo ayakalat ha kabaki nong shnong kinyo pan pinsyai ya ki doubts lani ki jingkeli lani ki jing artatin jong ki ha kabia day but uni COVID-19 but kam tam ha kabia day but ka vaccine ki doctor ki don hamni ni tip ba ha ka jela Meghalaya menta kam tam ki ni ki benai ki baladep ka benai me bat Jun ila ya ling ba ki por ki bala kham ki bala kham jingjar ha ka ba ni la yo I ba taki pau hajar ngot ki bril haka jela jami ki la shakta ha uni nyang chimpan kun ban si pentep ya ki min shisni kasip Meghalaya kala kunjo san pau hajar ngot ki bril ngado basdang ki bala shakta ha COVID-19 kabong hiong ki total positive cases hado menta ha East Khasi Hills kun balong menta ni don kumba khat news pa ai the active cases but shushu haduk menta kapor ila don real spot tam kibril haka district jongi kibala do la ka jing im na ka daw jong ka jing ta jul jong COVID-19
So
Singh Samla Maulai Pulun in Shillong today strongly criticized the Meghalaya Urban Affairs Minister Nyau Bhalangdhar for his inability to address the problems faced by people living in urban areas in the state. Speaking to the media, leaders belonging to this organization said that strongly opposed the Jowai Municipal Board to dump all the waste of Jowai into the dumping ground at Martin in Maulai. They said the dumping ground at Maulai is already stinking due to burning of biomedical waste and the authorities should find their own dumping grounds in the respective district. They said the authorities are so willing to get the environmental clearance for Star Cement to extend its limestone extraction, which is so detrimental to the environment, and nothing is done to attend the people's problem.
Benjungo yang tu kabai medical waste gila leh tu kendiat berpet jaka Shillong jaka Martin badai namta ka solid waste kalau tremur ba kalau terekam ya kan ni kalau mo kalau pa pi kini ki bon the na po ka Jowai municipal board ki om ba ki the na ka jingsia persya hakim asosiasi tu jaka ki sya syu bon the nyut mereka le jingle tremur kalau the nyut hati po Jowai mata ki wadra pa ngi po Martin po Maulai macuni Tikajikli ke bumi kalau lada ya ke Star Cement pi ailat berpeniar pak ya ke jinterkam bejuka balik melak berpembiang namta ka jinterkam supaya ba apa ke Jowai apa Jentia district berpembiang namta ka Jakarta ini kejuki atau khamdokam ke Star Cement menyupai ba nam Jentia kini baru ki pausai ba ke jingle asap perkum terekam jo sarkar ke jungi pada iu cylinder balai ke Star Cement Ikloi berpenyakaran periuk jaka kat bah nampak ke cintu kam pat ba bethe nyut pat hak ti jaka kemla penyakaran kemla penpiang kalau itamula hak kum terkam ke songsi ru bani bagi pat ba nang cintia ka pe kedu jinge hak berman the nyut senisha kathai ke jungi hak mula te kepala pempau hi presiden kalau manakalang ke jungi hi gila pula khre balada hadim gilai kendu ya minister in charge badi ki officer badi pat yang ni ka bentahi nak kalian ke jungi ingin bu baik dah deadline lada ke sarkar kamla bandai ai hari ke deadline nak kalian ke jungi yang pensi khang suai kemarten kumjuru ya ke bayu dikal wis ke bangila ada berman jugo aktu singi ada ka sarkar hi kamdai ai kale menti kumba ke Shillong hi bau menteri joka tenat transport macam usap menti kalau presiden mentar usap menti hi yang pensi ngihapan air berbating Minister berbor di minister bon syakri kepada ba kacela kajungi mereka kalau menta syakri ini ni minister pa kajile menti kaju kawara jinge yepat ba nadu Jentia district macam ni ka than kajungi kacela hi berkawai kawara jinge kajile menti ke minister kajungi tingi ngit skam ba di kajungi kendu kalau bersesok nomor ngim yang kuat poi syuput kawara jinge ke bobot bala ikwa hi ba sarkar kan sengap kanya trelam bat kian jaka Shillong bat kian kompania janok Shillong kan marak cu ngajing tumur kapalingo kalau pa nakapor ti kasarka ka Shillong ki nang punya Shillong ki nakap Shillong ban ya cerengkat bak sarka dari pasungsi kalau hari ngira lap ate ka singi ka pedau ba balai ba kasarka ka sya ban fine hapo ka NCT habede ka bayu dekal wis kadika tawba benikong kadika failure dengan valid authorization na gawan dengan valid authorization kalau nakidor Shillong kepada po Maulai.
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.